Will AI be the game changer we've been looking for? Cancer is arguably the most fatal disease that is affecting millions of people across the globe. Unfortunately, it is calculated that every fifth person will already have cancer during his or her lifetime, and every ninth man and every 12th woman will die from it. The truth is that cancer causes the death of every 6 people on our planet. On the other hand, there are bright prospects, and AI is proving to be a successful strategy for finding a cure for this terminal disease. The last few years have brought significant progress via AI. Researchers are leveraging AI techniques to expedite drug design and synthesis for cancer treatment. One very convincing demonstration comes from a recent experiment performed by scientists from the University of Toronto and INSERM, the French Institute of Health and Medical Research. Through AlphaFold, a computer program, and Pharma, the tool, the researchers were then able to instantly devise a potential molecule that could be used to treat hepatocellular carcinoma, the most common primary cancer of the liver. Surprisingly, they completed the entire manufacturing process in just 30 days, which was absolutely unexpected compared to the years and millions of dollars needed by the usual drug discovery method. The therapeutic approach frequently used was rapid drug discovery with the help of AI, which analyzed a large amount of data involving molecular structures, genetic profiles, and other factors to identify novel drug targets and design a new molecule. AI is not only automating complex imaging and analysis tasks, but also speeding up the process. New research frontiers are appearing. But could this just be the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI's transformative potential in the fight against cancer? One area where AI makes a big difference is early cancer detection. As the saying goes, it is better to prevent than cure, and early detection certainly has a major impact on cancer patients. The sooner the cancer is identified, the better the chances of successful treatment and recovery. This is the AI advantage. However, do you know that scientists have developed such AI applications that can recognize any medical image like MRI scans and X-rays? Actually, such AI systems have been shown to be more efficient than even the best human radiologists in detecting malignant tumors. It is really amazing how AI is changing the game in the struggle against cancer. An outstanding example is from a study carried out by researchers in the US, Germany, and France. They applied AI to analyze about 100,000 images, and the AI system proved to be superior to the 58 international dermatologists who did the same test. This stresses the incredible pattern recognition proficiency of AI, which can decipher minute visual pattern, which may be invisible to the human eye. But it's not only in medical imaging where AI is having an impact. Scientists have designed AI chatbots such as the one named Amy, Articulate Medical Intelligence Explorer, that imitate the process of talking to a doctor. Through the process of inquiry and by analyzing the user's symptoms, these AI systems can yield precise diagnostic recommendation, in some cases better than human doctors. So, what is it about AI that makes it so well suited to the fight against cancer? This power is where the clue lies in the ability of AI to detect patterns and make inferences that would be virtually impossible for a human being. Cancer, as we know it, is not simply one disease, but a variety of different diseases, each with its own unique traits and treatment approaches. This variety is what made it so difficult to discover a single cure. In addition, AI can dig deeper into data and find intricate processes that are crucial in helping to discover new treatment strategies. One of the most interesting examples can be found in one of the researchers from Kyoto's Lis Pasteur Medical Center in Japan. He observed that some cancer cells were actually similar to some donuts under a microscope. He acknowledged the possibility of this finding and then communicated with the developers of an AI-based pastry scanner that it used by bakeries. The collaboration between the university researchers resulted in the development of an AI-based cancer diagnostic tool called Cyto AI Scan, which is capable of detecting cancerous urinary cells with an accuracy rate of 99%. Achieving this level of precision is a clear sign that AI can identify and discern the subtle visual appearance features that separate normal and cancerous cells. Moreover, this technology is not limited to cancer diagnosis in patients only. The same AI-powered visual recognition can also be applied to differentiate pills and identify problems in machinery construction. It is an amazing illustration of the power of AI, which can be used to bring about revolutions, even in fields that have nothing to do with each other. Together with early detection, AI is transforming the way new cancer drugs are researched. As mentioned previously, the classical method of drug development is very time-consuming and expensive, and many drugs fail to undergo a series of clinical tests. Besides, AI helps researchers in rapid screening and finding potential drug candidates, and then cutting the processing time. Taking into account huge volumes of data, such as molecular structures, genetic profiles, and other related parameters, AI systems can suggest objects for targeting with cancer treatments and generate molecules that can affect these objects. This is precisely what the researchers from the University of Toronto and INSERM achieved in their work. They used AI software like AlphaFold and Pharma to design a protective drug candidate for hepatocellular carcinoma in a 30-day timeline. Normally, this process would have taken 10 years and cost several $1 million, whereas artificial intelligence was able to quickly examine the right data and find a novel treatment method. By saying that, though the existence of AI will help greatly in the development of a new cancer drug, it is still an overwhelmingly challenging and risky task. While the molecule found in the analysis showed great promise as a potential treatment, several rounds of testing and clinical trials are still needed to ensure security and effectiveness. However, the fact that AI was in the position to meet these goals so soon demonstrates how revolutionary it has already become. One of the major themes of AI in cancer cure is to remember that even with an application of AI concepts, AI is still not a universal solution, and there are many barriers that AI has to tackle. In the first place, cancer is one of the most complicated diseases due to the constant interaction between multiple genetic and ecological factors, whereas AI is highly skilled in spotting patterns and finding potential targets. It cannot construct therapeutics by itself. Scientists and medics have to evaluate and investigate their findings before the production of therapies. Cancer management AI processes are perceived as ancient and future technologies that cooperate with physicians and unlock mysteries and secrets of cancer and tumors. Other ethical and regulatory matters are raised when applying AI in healthcare, such as data security, privacy, and the extent of human control in decision-making and monitoring. There will be an increased need for the establishment of such guidelines, recommendations, and rules that ensure the safety, security, and best interests of the patient. However, the role of AI in the fight against cancer still has many uncertainties, and the future remains unclear. As technology advances and becomes more capable, the future will bring us discoveries in fields such as early diagnosis, drug development, and personalized treatment. So, what other breakthroughs might we see as this technology continues to evolve and become more sophisticated? Picture a future where an individual with internet can have an AI-powered virtual doctor like Amy, who gives the best diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. This may democratize access to quality healthcare, making it available to people from remote areas or other undeserved communities who could find it hard to reach medical specialists. The researchers from the Harvard School of Public Health state that employing AI in diagnostics decreases treatment costs by 50% and improves outcomes by 40%. This is an outstanding leap in both cost-effectiveness and patient outcomes, showing the revolutionary nature of this technology. The promise of AI in the fight against cancer is undeniable, while challenges do remain. The rapid advancements we've seen point to a future where this technology could be the breakthrough that finally turns the tide against this devastating disease. If AI's role in cancer research fascinates you as much as it does me, hit subscribe and enable notifications. Stay ahead with the latest breakthroughs in this pioneering field. Share your thoughts. Are you eager to harness AI in the battle against cancer? Comment below.